All right, I wanted to talk more about how to create TLDs in Freename because I think that represents the best business opportunity for your domain name. So I want to go for selling Web3 domain names. So I want to go over some details. The first is when you type in words into the search bar, you're going to get choices of both TLDs or domain names. So in this case, I typed in cryptoverse, and it's protected, meaning it's either reserved for a partner or it's been purchased but not minted, or it's in conflict with one of the existing TLDs. And the program will give you suggestions if you like the word cryptoverse to get cryptoverse domain names and other TLDs that already exist. Cryptoverse.whale, cryptoverse.metastore. But some of the options you can do when you have a two-word domain name is you can put in different things at the beginning of it. So say you really like the verse part, and you say, well, what are other popular words I can put before verse to make a good top-level domain name? So in this case, you can make a domain called Freeverse, just like we have Freename. And you could either say that it's free because it's available for all. You could potentially, even though people are going to have to pay for their domain names, say that there's different things that you can do for free. It could be Freedomverse at the same point. You may decide that you want to have your own metaverse called Freedomverse. And you type that one in, and because that word's a little less well known than free, now you've got a TLD that you can start with for just $79. And I think one of the best ways to build a domain name business could be, and please do your own research, and this is not investment advice, is to potentially start with the least expensive TLD, learn how to market your TLD, learn how to build community around your TLD. You're going to be in charge of marketing your own TLD. Freename is going to provide you the system to sell domain names in your TLD and earn a 50% rev share. So now that you can buy Freedomverse for $79 and maybe look for some coupon codes to even sell on that, you can also buy at the same point different domain names in your TLD at the same time. So you can buy different emojis.freedomverse. You can buy different words like Web35 or Crypto01 or NFTXXX. So depending on which ones you want to buy, they may carry a regular or a price. But if you're looking for a TLD to get started with, type in the most popular word you know, and then try to create some two-word combinations where the price does get within your price range. In this case, Freedomverse would meet your price level if you were looking to be under $100. And then something like Freeverse would meet your price if you were looking to be about $700. And at the same time, you might say, listen, I want to go for something that people really like. I'll go for multiverse. And so maybe you'll put Freeverse and multiverse in your cart, and you'll choose from one or get both. So it's just some thoughts when you are in the Freename system trying to decide which TLD to buy.